Hi, welcome back to Words and Grammar. Thank you so much for watching this video. Last time we studied simple present tense. Ngayon, yun pa rin ang studyhan natin, simple present tense. But last time, ang focus natin ay yung habitual actions. Ngayon, ang focus natin ay facts at saka yung mga general truth. Ano yung fact? Fact is something that has permanent existence. When we say fact, talagang ano yun, totoo at real talaga yun, nag-i-exist yun or ginagawa yun. Paano natin yan i-relate sa simple present tense? Simple present tense is the standard verb tense to express a fact or universal truth because fact is understood as timeless, permanent, and always existing. So regardless of the moment of speaking, kahit kailan pa yan sasabihin, kailan yan siya, yan palagi yang totoo. Kasi palaging totoo, simple present tense ang gamitin natin. Now we have here 3 sentences in simple present tense. God loves a cheerful giver. This is a fact because God is a loving God. God never hates a cheerful giver. Talagang love niya yung mga cheerful giver at napatunayan na yon noon pa. So this is a fact. Tingnan natin. Because God is singular, then tingnan nyo, i-observe nyo, ang verb natin ay may S. So God loves a cheerful giver. Take note of that. Pag singular, may S. Let's go to sentence number 2. A cheetah reaches speeds of over 70 miles per hour while hunting. Ang bilis ni cheetah, no? Ilang kilometers yan? 110? Ganun siguro. Not sure ako, no? Pero a cheetah reaches. Cheetah is 1. So, ang reaches natin may ES. May ES kasi nag-i-end ng CH. Okay, this is a fact also. Kasi na-eksperimentuhan na yan ng yung mga nag-study ng animals, na anuhan na yan nila, na kuhaan na yan nila ng tamang information. Let's go to 3. A female kangaroo carries its joey in a pouch for 6 months. This is also a fact. Fact ito kasi ito talaga yung ginagawa ng mga female. Meron kasi yan sila mga pouch dito. Pag labas ng bata, ano yun siya? Mag-crawl lang yung bata pala na kangaroo is called joey. So pag labas ng joey, mag-crawl yan siya going to the pouch, following the saliva of the female or of the mother kangaroo. So, yun lang yung guide niya. Hanggang makapunta siya sa pouch and then, nandoon lang siya, nakadidi lang siya sa teeth ng kangaroo for 6 months. Lalabas lang yan siya pag ready na ang bata or ang joey makalabas para mag-explore sa world. Grabe si Lord, no? Ganun talaga ka-detalye si Lord. Okay, so, look at this one. A female kangaroo carries. Female kangaroo, that is only 1. So, ang verb natin ay may ES. Bakit ES? Simple form kasi ng verb natin dito is carry. No, carry. Ending in Y. Ang rule natin dito is drop Y, change Y to I, and add ES. Kaya ang carry maging carries with R-I-E-S. Huwag nyo kalimutan na kapag habitual or palaging ginagawa yung action, gamitin natin ang simple present tense. Ito naman, kapag fact, ang ating gamitin ay simple present tense pa rin. Okay? Thank you.